I have this little cute, loud and obnoxious, and also kind of wasteful little sun conure right here in the bird cage in the house. When I started out vermicomposting with my worm farm, I used to take all of this and put it in my worm bin, but I found like the proteins, the peanuts, and the sunflower husks, I found that they would not quite decompose the way I would like it to. So instead of bringing this to my worm bin, I will bring some worms in here. I started by putting shredded cardboard and shredded newspaper in here, and I'm going to get about 10 worms, put them in here, and update you on the progression of the vermicomposting of my bird food and bird droppings. I am also going to add about 25-30 cocoons in here, and I will be out of the country for 3 weeks, and it is now May, the first week of May. I will not be back until May 23rd. So for the update on my bird worm bin, we'll call this the mango worms. Hey Mango. For an update on the progression of this vermicompost project, please check back at the end of May. Thank you.